Hey guys, it's Sugar Swirl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to make. I haven't really named this slime yet, but I'm just. Oh, there's Ricky. He was in my last video. Say hi. What's wrong, you little shy? You little shy. Get up, get up. Give me a hug. Give me a hug before you leave. Love you. Love you. Here you go, play with your little truck over there. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you, the last video was how to make a winter snow globe slime, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make a thick and glossy Christmas / like winter slime. It's just kind of a really pretty slime, but yeah, I'm just going to call it winter snow globe. Okay, so you're going to be needing a bowl. A lot of these ingredients are really necessary. I'll tell you the ingredients that are not. Okay, you can play with that as well. First, you're going to need a bowl. I just have a bowl here. You're going to need, of course, your spatula. Just leave that right there. And yeah, watch out. You can play with it. I don't care. And then you're going to need glue all. Or I'm actually not going to use glue all. I'll just. But this is better to use, but I'm actually going to go get a different kind of glue. Hey, Rick, hey, can you go put this back? Remember where it was beside the conditioner? It was right there. Yes. Okay. Hold on, guys. I'm going to go get some glue, and we'll be right back. What kind of glue should I use? I don't know. Maybe I should use a normal base. Yeah, and of course you're going to need these. So these are the two extra ingredients. Rico! God, sorry guys, I got a lot of ingredients and just knocking everything down. Okay, so you're going to need glue, white elementary glue or glue all, whatever. You're out of frame. If you want to be in frame, come over closer. Okay, and then you're going to need some lotion. You're going to need some, what is this, conditioner? You're going to need some conditioner. You're going to need some foaming hand soap. You're going to need some black, like this pretty black glitter. There we go. This is like the prettiest glitter ever. You're going to need some silver glitter and some red glitter. The glitter colors are optional. I just picked these colors, but all the other ingredients you're going to need. And also this. You can see it's really pretty. Unicorn skin, basically. So let's just get into this recipe, shall we? So first, you're going to want to get your glue. For about a cup. I'm not really measuring, I'm just kind of eyeballing it. That's about enough. Hold on, I'm going to give you a bird's eye view. If you don't know what that means, I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you a bird's eye view. Okay. This is a bird's eye view. There it is. That's about a cup in the bowl. Oh my god, my camera's turned up sideways. Sorry, okay, so that's about how much. Okay, I'm just gonna clean off my spatula real quick. He's waving, but he keeps. I don't know. Guys, if you want me to update, I updated you in my last video, but if you didn't watch it, my vlog channel. Ainsley and Enrique, that's my brother, they do vlogs on there, and he is actually going to daycare in about 2 weeks because we're off for Christmas break. And yeah, and also I'm going to be posting more vlogs with my friend Savannah because Wednesday is New Year's Eve, I think, like next Wednesday or next like Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, something like that, and we're going to be vlogging it, and she's going to be staying here for about 3 or 4 days. So yeah, just gave you a little bit of info. But you would already know that if you watch my vlog channel. That's totally fine. Okay. And then you're gonna add your lotion. I'm just adding some baby lotion. I think baby lotion is the best, but you can use any other lotion. You're probably gonna use about just 1 squirt. See, I only used about 1 squirt. Hold on. Yeah, see, I only use about 1 squirt. You're just gonna want to use 1 squirt. And just mix that in. What, baby? Okay, go tie your shoe. He has to go get my grandma to tie a shoe. He don't like me to tie him. I tie him a different way. But, yeah, talking about slime here. And then you're going to want to add your conditioner. And FYI, a lot of people confuse to whether or not use shampoo or conditioner. A lot of you guys think it's the same, and it's totally different to slime. I used to add like shampoo, and it made it jiggly. But the thing is, you have to add conditioner, not shampoo, because shampoo makes it jiggly. So just add some conditioner, right there, conditioner. This is Ocean Mist. I just got it for Dollar Tree. 25% off or whatever. I just love this. To me, it kind of smells like you're basically just going to use 1 squirt, but the reason I'm doing like it's just, I don't know, but that much about. That much. Hi, bro. He come back. What? Did she tie it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get that Simeon.
Oh, Simeon? Yeah. If you want to know who Simeon is, you can go to my vlog channel. Hey, don't stand on my chair, please. Okay, what are you doing? Hey, put them containers back. Them are just extra. Put them back. We'll open them in a minute. You're going to go in there? Okay, I'll tell you whenever I'm done filming the video, okay? I love you. Shut my door.
Okay.
Finally, some peace and quiet. But yeah, after you're done mixing in that, you're going to want to add your foaming hand soap. I just have mine from Bath and Body Works Champagne Toast. Oh my word. It is such a favorite. But my brother got the wrong ingredient. And I didn't want champagne toast. I wanted this kind. Apple cinnamon. Oh my god. This is the one I kind of use more than the other kind because it was like a lot of money. So you're just gonna want to use. Oh, shake it up. You're just gonna want to use. Let me see how much 1 squirt looks like. Just gonna want to use 2 squirts. So yeah, use 2 squirts of foaming hand soap. I'm not gonna show you because you know, it's just 2 squirts. And this will make it more bubbly and smell good, so you don't have to add any scent. It smells amazing. Okay. My tablet was like 2%, so I gotta hurry up and do this. Now you can add what glitters you want. I think I'm gonna add my what is this? What is it called again? Oh yeah, my red glitter. So you can, this part is kind of optional. You can just add how much you want. I don't really want it to be too glittery, but Yeah, I was just gonna make this a peppermint slime and just add this, but I thought that would be a little too, not original, because like a lot of people just do that. And even though it looks phenomenal, bird's eye view, it looks phenomenal, but my view, it doesn't. Rick, I want. What? You said you're going in there. God.
I did my tape.
Okay, get your tape. God, y'all. I mean, we could freaking confusing me. But yeah, after you're done adding how much ever you want. Thank God. Bye, Felicia. But yeah, after you're done adding how much red glitter you want. I'm just gonna say glitter because you don't have to use these colors, but I just picked it out and I thought they would look pretty. Okay, and now you're gonna want to add your other glitter. I'm just gonna say, so I'm just picking silver. I kind of want a lot of silver because silver and red look so pretty together. And I did get these for Christmas, if you see my Christmas haul. Oh my word, I'm so sad that Christmas ended like so quickly. Oh my god, if you hear something, that's my brother outside. He's playing with a little remote control car that we got him. Now I'm going to add my other glitter. Okay, that was a kind of a lot. I don't really want a lot of black glitter because the black kind of makes the slime black. So, okay. Actually, that's the perfect ratio. I may need, okay, yeah, I need a little more gold and a touch more of black. I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. And no, I'm not going to color this. I feel like it just looks good with the white base. So, yeah. This is kind of like chunky glitter, kind of. Okay, so that's enough of that. I didn't know I was almost out of frame. Oh my word, that's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, I'm going to give you a bird's eye view now. Alright, okay, I'm going to go ahead and activate this. So let me just get activator. You can use any activator. I'm just using Staff Lab. That's what I have on hand. And yeah, in the next video is probably going to be how to make a Christmas jiggly slime. And if you're wondering why I didn't add these in, these are actually going to be a topping. So that's the reason I didn't add the little unicorn flakes in. They were going to be a topping. So yeah, hold on. I think I added too much, so I just poured a little back out. It's just Staff Flow is a pretty strong activator. I mean, like, you just gotta really need it. Gotta just really get in there with it. I'm gonna need a little bit more before my tablet runs dead. It's gonna alert me whenever I have 5%. Whenever I have 5% But yeah, whenever I'm 5%, I'm gonna have to like in the video and go ahead and upload it. And that's what I would say. This is a no edit video. So that's how I make it. I usually skip and do a voiceover. That's like the majority part. While I'm doing no edit, I just wanted to see if y'all guys like it without voiceover or with voiceover. So okay, it's almost done. It's a little slimy though. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the cup. I think that's all I need. Is just that. It's just the cap full. So that should be all. I mean, the cap full's pretty decent amount. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my hands. Who is it?
What you doing, girl?
I'm making a video.
What's your slime looking like?
Huh?
What's your slime looking like?
This.
Good. That does look pretty neat. Let me stir it up some with this. Can I stir it up with this?
Yes, I'm just
Where'd you get this?
Ray K! Tell him to stop! He's making it messy!
Ray
Ray
K!
K, I'll go tell Jay if you don't stop.
Ray K, don't get in that, buddy.
He's gonna get in all that makeup. God.
Put it in there. I'll do some more stirring for you. You'll put some more. Damn! There's some big ass balls.
Don't cut this.
Oh shit, my bad.
Ray K, just stop stepping on everything.
So
God.
how did it feel you was here by yourself today?
Huh?
How did it feel you had the whole house to yourself?
Good. I mean, good.
You think Jay will let you again?
Good.
Whoa. What's that?
You've been putting that red
Who's
glue.
that? Who's that? Who's that? Hold on. Here. Who's here?
That's Max's owner,
No,
Ashley.
Well, I'll see you in a bit. I'm almost done making the video.
Man, that's a lot of freaking paint, ain't it? You might want to get a marker right.
So this is about the finished result. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add some clay, cause why not? And I want it to be kind of thick, and its name is going to be peppermint bark. So yeah. Oh my god, they just come in here and like wreck. Oh my word, that's the girl's owner. Oh god. I don't like that girl's owner, but the dog's owner, but she's here. So yeah, hold on. Skip this part. I'm gonna have to go real quick. Guys, skip this part, okay? Skip it. Okay guys, so that's the finished result. And I hope you guys liked it. The next video I'm going to do some more ASMR. But I hope you guys liked it. And have a wonderful day or night, whatever. And be followed in the giveaway. You have to like, subscribe, and comment down below why you want to have this stuff in the giveaway. If you didn't see the giveaway, go check it out. And bye. Have a nice day.